ghetto bird.
Yeah, I seen cookers over here, bro.
Chopper.
Let me get my phone.
Hold up. Chopper.
Yeah, I seen cookers over here, bro. I'm trying to tell you.
Where the trash?
Right here, cooking got some money right here, man.
Oh, they got him. Yeah, they got him.
Go straight. Go pull over there.
Shut up.
I'm trying to see the car, what they did to the car.
Dude, you're gonna have to get the fuck out. I don't wanna get all up on this shit.
Hey, listen to your phone. That's what I gotta say.
How you doing?
Good.
All right.
How are you doing tonight?
All right. How you guys doing?
Good,
Glad you're staying safe. Glad you're staying
Yeah,
safe.
thank you.
Yep.
If you won't mind, go ahead, film, but just right on the sidewalk would be perfect.
Yep.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, friend. Hey, that's his friend. How you doing?
How are you?
Is that right? All right.
What's up?
I'm nothing, I'm just doing my little thing. You know. Hey, how you doing? Hey there. See, everybody knows me now. We'll be famous. now I'm gonna be. Yeah. Hey there, how you guys doing? Yep.
Yeah, he took out a fire hydrant.
Oh.
Public Works might need to be notified for this one.
Yeah. Streetlight on the side.
Yeah, street light too. Perfectly good Camry too.
Nice Camry.
Yeah, that's what I drive.
You don't want to drive that
I
one.
don't want to drive that one. Mine.
Well, might be able to use it for some parts.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you need a new rear bumper because that's about all it's good. All right.
Y'all caught him pretty quick, didn't you?
It was about a 3-4 minute chase.
Hell yeah, I seen the ghetto bird up there too. I haven't seen that.
We didn't call for him.
Damn, it was out there. He was out there right away.
You know, they come right out of Holman Field. So.
Yep. How you been though?
Good, you?
Okay, I've been okay.
You relaxed now?
I'm relaxed. This is what's giving me my sort of my justice until the justice to come. That's what this is doing for me. And if they ain't told you by now, you guys like you ain't got nothing to worry about, boy.
I don't think you had anything to worry about here either.
Nah, it looks good here. Let me move around. I appreciate it. I'll be seeing you guys.
Yeah,
all right, now let me give you some of that. I like you a lot. All right. Yeah, yes sir.